Friends, welcome to our channel Relax and Confident. This video is for some tips to improve and maintain our health. Tip number 1: we keep our mind as stress free always. Don't allow any worries to get into your mind. Then only you can find solutions for the worries. So be relaxed always. Tip number 2: we want to wake up before the sunrise every day. Our body health depends upon the two things. One is heat and another one is cold. If we wake up before the sunrise, our body maintains the normal temperature. Tip number 3: after wake up, we want to do some pranayama. Pranayama is nothing but a simple breathing exercise. It is easy to do. It takes few minutes only. By pranayama, we can clean our lungs. For pranayama, we want to take a deep breath. First, close the left nose and take a deep breath. That is inhale and outhale. Like that, we want to do for both noses. By these breathing exercises, our body cells got enough oxygen and we are brisk for the whole day, can do our work with enthusiastic mood. Tip number 4: after pranayama, we want to drink enough water. That is maybe 500 ml or 250 ml. Like that, how much water we want to fill our stomach, that much want to drink. It cleans our stomach and body cells. Tip number 5: then we want to do exercise for half an hour. It may be a walking or running or anything. Which exercise we like, that we can do. Somebody is asking, I am working a lot, then why I want to do exercises? But work is different and exercise is different. By exercise, our body and brain cells feels fresh. We can feel it only by when we are doing it practically. If we have no time to do exercises, then we want to wake up before the usual time. Tip number 6: we want to take our breakfast before 7:30 to 8 o'clock, because night we take food by 8 or 9 pm. Then morning 8 o'clock means it is 12 hours gap. How long our body works without energy? So don't skip breakfast. And then lunch around 1 or 2 o'clock we want to take. Night dinner also around 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Then only our stomach will digest the foods and ready to sleep after 2 to 3 hours. That is around 10 o'clock. In between foods, if we want to take if we feel hungry, then we want to take some milk or fruits, anything. Don't take junk foods like chips, anything. We can take fruits and nuts also. It is easy to digestible and health for our body. Before night 10 pm, we want to go to sleep. If we have any important work after 10 o'clock, we want to shift it to the next day early morning. If we practice like this every day, we can maintain our health. A proverb is there: a sound mind is in a sound body. If we are healthy, then only we can achieve our goals. There is no one is in the world without goals. The goals may be to achieve a position in our job, or to learn anything, or to teach anything, or to grow our children. Like that. All the best to your healthy life and to reach your goals. Subscribe our channel, like and share to your friends and family. Share your ideas in comment box. Thanks for watching.